Hey folks, Jim Thomas here, Fitness Management and Consulting, and welcome to our channel today. I appreciate you being here. And if you're new to the channel, if you're finding us for that very first time, welcome. It's good to have you. Appreciate you being here. And a message to everyone who's watching, my mission here on the channel, my purpose here on the channel is I want to be able to provide as much information as possible. I think we have over 1,200 how-to videos here on the channel by now. But I want to be able to provide as much information as possible to as many people as possible. And the best way for me to do that is when you choose to subscribe to the channel, when you choose to like the videos, when you choose to share the channel with associates and colleagues. It helps expand our reach. So if you've not yet done so, please subscribe. Please hit that like button, and please share the channel with associates and colleagues. And to learn more about me and learn more about my company and how I can help take your business that next level, please check out those links below. And two places I would point you in the links below is, be sure to check out our email newsletter. Okay, it's one more additional source. It's absolutely free, where you can gain additional information on how you can grow and develop your business. And then the second one is check out our link below to our website, where you can actually gain free access to our gym management playbook. 100% free gym management playbook. And for anyone who's new at this or struggling, you're just getting started, you're trying to train staff, you need more information, it's going to be a great resource for you. Okay, so be sure to check that out. We look forward to seeing you over there on that program. And with that said, let's jump into our topic here today, and it's 7 proven ways that gym owners can attract new members. 7 proven ways that gym owners can attract new members. And if you're a sales manager, you're looking, how do we attract new members? If you're a general manager, how do we attract new members? You're an area director, how do we attract new members? I mean, everyone can really benefit from this. And as we go through this, look at this and, hey, which ones are you doing? How are we doing at them? What can we do to improve? And we zero in on some of these, and you can have an immediate effect on the production and the revenue you're bringing in for your gym. And so with that said, let's get into our list here. And so the first one is, let's partner with local companies. And what I mean here is corporate sales. And there's a couple ways, to look at corporate sales. The corporate sale, the true corporate, this is where the company is underwriting it and the company is going to pay for it. Okay, it might include like 100% access to all their employees. The second one, which is the more common one probably, is the group sale, where the company will give you access to the company as long as, say, 5 or more people join. They might get a 20% discount. And so, corporate sales is a great resource. You can go door to door on that if you're trying to save some steps. LinkedIn is going to be a great resource for you, for something like that. You can put a fishbowl up in your gym, okay, and have them drop in a business card for more information on fitness and wellness programs, for their company. Those can be some great resources for corporate sales. In addition to that, in terms of partnering with local companies, is look at selling advertising. Sell advertising to different pages on your website, to your website itself, advertising to your email signature, advertising for your Group X room, your free weight room, your advanced training center. There's a lot of opportunities in there. You have someone sponsor your front desk. Okay, just make sure you have your data in place as far as how many workouts you're getting, how many views you're getting, how many followers you have, how many people are going to your website and things like that. These are great resources. Get with local hotels, local motels, sell them blocks of guest passes that they can give free to their customer base, and now they can advertise, hey, stay with us, and you have access to a world-class fitness facility. So lots of opportunities in there, with local companies. Number 2, on how to attract new members, offer remote classes. Wasn't that long ago everybody was doing that, right? Some of you still might be. But a lot of folks have kind of stopped that. Make it a secondary offering, or consider making it a secondary offering. First thing, there's a whole uncontested market out there for folks that haven't worked out in quite a long time, need to lose quite a bit of weight. They don't come in. They look at other resources to do this. Have that as a resource. Sell that as a program. It could even be an upgrade. Person walks into your gym and they want to buy the enterprise membership package. Includes online access. It also includes in the club access. So lots of opportunities there to really expand your audience. So if you're not doing it and you're able to, consider the remote classes. It works. Number 3, market to seniors. I mean, i.e. your baby boomers at this point. I mean, they've driven every market for years and years and years and years now. I mean, there's more of those folks out there than anybody in any particular group. Make sure you market to them. And if you're looking to kind of market to and without really doing a lot, you can go look at Silver Sneakers. Go to silversneakers.com and see if that program is available in your area. And that can be another great way to hit that baby boomer audience. Number 4, diversify your trainers. When you bring your trainers in, or when you're recruiting for your trainers, look for trainers that specialize in different things. First-time exercisers, weight loss programs, maybe programs for women who just had a baby, maybe folks that want to run their first marathon, folks that haven't worked out for at least a year. It doesn't always have to be, nor should it be, that strong fitness audience, because one of the challenges the fitness industry has sometimes, it's viewed as where the fit go to get more fit. Okay, diversify those trainers, get a wide variety, a wide group of people in there. Look at your community involvement. I mean, what are you doing in your community? Are you sponsoring local events? Are you involved in local events? Are you volunteering? Okay, but get involved, and you can use press releases as a great way to promote this. But you want to be involved in the community. Get in the habit of giving back. Let's just don't be taken. But get involved. And one of the things that I would point to, depending on your facility, one of the things that's big in all areas is really youth sports, and conditioning and strength training programs are huge for those folks. This can be a great way to really expand and grow your business, in many cases at higher price points and much stronger retention than you might normally get. Number 6 on my list is, take it one step further. Take it everything just one step further, and maybe you're offering, free nutrition classes. Maybe you're offering, free meal planning. Okay, what else can you do? Now, one of the things that I would really put into this when we talk about taking it, a step further, is one of the ways that we like to view the fitness industry. It's as much as it is fitness, right? But it's also entertainment. And, that member experience is so important. And so, member fitness parties, have special events like this. You want to turn your facility into really a destination location. Okay, so think about that kind of thing, and there's a lot that can kind of go into that. As you start to do more of that and get more creative, there's an awful lot you can do there. And number 7 is, you want to become really part of your folks. Okay, right? It's all about the connection. It's all about the sense of community. It's all about how we get involved. Make sure you got strong referral programs in place. I mean, point of sale referrals. Are you getting referrals at point of sale? If so, how many are you getting? I like to see average 3. Okay. And we're not asking for anyone to come in to join. Now, we might have incentives for that, right? But we're not asking for that. We bring your friends in. Okay, have referral programs at point of sale. Have member referral programs. Your folks that are already members. Encouraging them to bring in friends, and you have incentives if their friends join. Have email campaigns that go out that promote your referral programs. This is an easy source, and I think really everything we've talked about on here, I don't think any of this is going to cost you any extra money. It's going to be simply a matter of doing it and being committed to doing it and being all in. Okay, I know I work with a wide variety of gym owners, and the ones that are all in, no matter what their background is, it's when they're all in and they're doing it, really with, hey, I'm accountable. Okay, here's how we're going to do this. It's amazing the success they have. Okay, we just don't want to go through the motions of it, but be all in on this. So take a look at these seven ideas, these 7 tips. Which ones are you doing? Which ones can we improve upon? Which ones can we start doing? And it costs no money, and you can start signing up more members immediately. So, folks, my name is Jim Thomas. My company is Fitness Management and Consulting. Appreciate you being here. As I mentioned earlier, my purpose here in the channel, my focus here in the channel is we want to provide as much information to as many people as we possibly can. And the best way for me to do that is when you choose to subscribe, when you choose to like the video, when you choose to share it. So if you've not yet done so, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to check out our links below. Go to our website, fmconsulting.net, and grab yourself 100% free access to our gym management playbook. And we'll look forward to seeing you over there, and we'll look forward to seeing you on that next video.